Hello, in front of me I have Apple Watch Series 1 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on the silent mode on this device. First, we need to open the quick panel, and to do that let's just swipe upwards from the bottom of the screen, like that. Here let's scroll down, and here we have a bell icon, and to turn the silent mode on we just tap on it, like that, and to turn it off we just tap on it again. You can also go and do that in settings. So let's close the quick panel, press the crown button to open the menu. Here let's find the settings icon right here and tap on it. Now let's scroll down and tap on the sounds and haptics. Oh, my bad. Sounds and haptics. And here we have a silent mode. You can turn it on by just tapping the slider next to it, and turn it off by tapping it again. And this should be all. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.